Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Zarwan. Today I will tell you about classification of living organisms. A century ago, scientists tried to classify living organisms. First of all, Aristotle. Aristotle classified living organisms into three groups: air, water, land, on the basis of their habitats. Second scientist Carolus Linnaeus, who introduced living organisms into two groups. First one kingdom Plantae, second one kingdom Animalia. Third scientist Robert Whittaker, who introduced living organisms into five groups. First one kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista, kingdom Fungi, kingdom Plantae, kingdom Animalia. Kingdom Monera organisms are prokaryotic unicellular organisms. Monera organisms lack cell wall while some have a cell wall. They both autotrophic and heterotrophic. They are cosmopolitan. Example: bacteria, cyanobacteria. Protista unicellular and eukaryotic. They exhibited heterotroph and autotroph kind of nutrition. Some of the members move through flagella. They are left in water. Example: algae. Kingdom Fungi organisms are multicellular. They are eukaryotic. They are heterotrophic. They are unicellular and multicellular. They are cell wall made of carton. They are saprophytic. They live in garbage. Example: mushroom. Kingdom Animalia are multicellular and eukaryotic. They are heterotrophic. They lack a cell wall. Some organisms in this kingdom are simple, while some have a complex body. Kingdom Plantae include multicellular eukaryotic organisms having a cell wall. Their cell wall is made of cellulose. There are autotrophic. Example: plant. I will differentiate between monocot and dicot. Monocot, mono means one. They have one cotyledon in their seed. Now what is a cotyledon? A part of seed that develop and grow into a new leaf. They are widely used in medicine. They provide food all over the world. Example: wheat, rice, etc. Monocot leaves. Monocot leaves are narrow. Second one is dicot. The word di means two. Dicots are named so because they have two cotyledons in their seed. They are around 1,75,000 species in this group. Example: sunflower, rose, etc. Dicot leaves. Dicot leaves have different shape and size.